As you approach the beach, you will pass by shops and restaurants, basically providing you everything that you need for a complete stay at this beach. Unlike anywhere on Halkidiki, here you'll find that you will have to pay for a parking spot, and this happens on Corfu more often than it doesn't, to my big surprise. You can park on the street for free, but only if you find a parking spot, since the place gets crowded after 11 o'clock pretty soon, and you won't be able to find a parking spot even in the parking lots where they charge you. This is, in my opinion, the best beach at this island, judging by the quality of the water and the sand. It's ideal for a young family. The sand is soft and clean and has this beautiful light brown color, and the water is crystal clear and shallow for more than 15 meters for sure, if not more. The Golden Beach part of this GLYFADA beach at large has its own mini market, a restaurant and a snack bar with a sea view. Right next to the Golden Beach, you'll find the PAZUZU beach bar, which is a bit more fancy and probably the most popular here. Occupying a couple of sunbeds in the first row will cost you 60 euros. Prices go down as you move back to the last rows. On Corfu, most often you will be charged just for using the sunbeds, where some beach bars might include a bottle of water and maybe a towel in the price. Check out the videos on our channel to find out more about this kind of situations. Of course, like everywhere in Greece, there is a long strip of beach for visitors who doesn't want to pay for a sunbath. That's understandable, of course. Here, most of the beach is like this, uncommercialized. As you can see also, the whole beach is surrounded by apartments, hotels, and I guess privately owned villas. The beach ends with another beach bar, or more likely a resort, on the right side. Going back to the Golden Beach bar and moving to the left, first you will encounter a hotel, and this is where you can see the blue flag affirming that the beach has the highest environmental and quality standards. Moving forward, there is a long strip of uncommercialized space, a place where you can rent a surfboard, and then the last part is reserved for nudists. So if you find our content useful, click the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this one, and spread the word by sharing the video with people that might find it useful. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.